People talk a lot about how hard this work is, but I've got to tell you, I'm a social worker. I've been a social worker since the 70s, and I've seen a lot of horrible cases of child abuse. But what gives me hope is always the work of children's advocacy centers. When our programs first started in the mid-1980s, I realized that there was a way to intervene successfully in these cases. And that's really been the greatest impact on my life, is knowing that we have programs that can make such an incredible difference in the lives of kids. You know, there's nothing worse than being a social worker or a police officer or a prosecutor and feeling like you're the only one between that child and whatever happens. But by having a children's advocacy center, by having all of us working together, that really gives me such incredible hope for our kids and what's going to happen to them in the future. And I really think that the Georgia Center for Child Advocacy has some of the best clinical staff I've ever seen. I probably brag on them way too much, but they do a wonderful job with our kids, and that makes all the difference in the world.